So we are solving the part B of this question number 14. A pendulum bob of mass 50 gram is suspended from the ceiling of an elevator. Find the tension in the string if the elevator goes up with a deceleration of 1.2 meter per second square. Now see here, the elevator is going up with a deceleration of 1.2 meter per second square. Okay, so it is decelerating as it is going up. So that means it is accelerating in a downward direction. So this is nothing but the acceleration in downward direction. So now what is the situation over here? So let me draw the free body diagram here. So I will draw it here, the free body diagram. This is mass m, the upward force is T, tension, and downward force is mg. Now the upward deceleration means downwards acceleration. So from that we can see that net acceleration is downward, a net. Okay, so mg must be greater than t because net acceleration is downwards. So we get mg minus t is equal to ma net. Okay, that is the net acceleration. I should write a net over here also. So now the tension will become, let me go to the next page. Okay, the tension will become mg minus ma net. Okay, so you can see here I took t there and I took this term over left side. So this is mg minus ma net. So this is m common, g minus a net. So this is the tension. So this will be equal to, mass is 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. And what is g? G is 9.8 minus net acceleration. So now what is net acceleration? 1.2. So 1.2 will come over here. So 9.8 minus 1.2 will be 8.6 meter per second square. Okay, don't forget the units, meter per second square. So this will be 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 kg meter per second square. Okay, so now I have to multiply 8.6 into 5. It is 8.6 into 5, which is 43. So this is 43 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. So this is the tension. So this will be 0.43 Newton. So the tension will be 0.43 Newton in this case.